Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You cannot directly change YouTube's stored join date because it's tied to channel creation. Start by confirming that restriction. Once you've confirmed, sign in with full owner rights and enable 2FA to avoid lockouts. Decide now which path you'll take. Update your About section to show a preferred date, create a new channel with the desired join date, or migrate videos to a brand account. This choice determines the next technical steps and any downtime you'll accept. If you choose a new channel, create it now, verify your email, upload at least one video, and set your profile. That establishes the new joined date. If you prefer migration, add the target brand account owner in Settings Permissions, then transfer videos and playlists. Note subscriber transfer is limited and may require resubscribes. Alternatively, edit your About section to display a custom join date for viewers. Make sure to keep backups of original video files and metadata before moving anything. Finalize by reviewing both channels. Confirm the visible join date on the new channel, update About text, and ensure all video metadata and thumbnails are intact. Once done, monitor subscriber counts and watch for any content missing. If something goes wrong, like subscribers not transferring or the date not displaying, use YouTube Help or reach out to support for account-specific assistance. Make sure to keep local backups and an export of channel data via Google Takeout in case you need to restore content or prove original timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.